In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search box in the menu for your WordPress website. A search box is a critical feature for any website, making it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for quickly and efficiently. Whether you run a blog, an online store, or a portfolio site, adding this simple feature can significantly enhance user experience and keep your audience engaged. The best part with WordPress, this process is straightforward and beginner-friendly. So let's get started and walk through each step together. First, open your preferred web browser and enter the address of your WordPress website. This will take you to your site's homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see an option labeled Login. Click on it to proceed. Now, when you're on the login page, you'll see several options for signing into your account. For this tutorial, I recommend selecting the Continue with Google option. This method is faster and more secure since it uses your Google credentials to streamline the login process. If you don't use Google, you can always log in manually using your WordPress username and password. Once you click on Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Select the account connected to your WordPress website. This will grant you access to your site's backend dashboard. Now that you're in the WordPress dashboard, locate the Edit Site link. This is generally found in the Quick Links section on the right-hand side of the screen. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry, it might be positioned slightly differently depending on your WordPress theme. Once you've found it, click on the Edit Site option. This will open up the site editor interface where you can make changes to your website. Once the site editor interface loads, make sure you've selected your website to ensure you're working on the correct site layout. This step is particularly important if you manage multiple sites under the same account. Next, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You should see a small plus icon. Click on this icon to open the menu for adding new blocks and elements to your site. A search bar will appear, allowing you to filter through the available options. In this search bar, type the word search. This will quickly narrow down the results and display the search block. When you see the search block appear in the results, click on it to add it to your website. The block will then appear on your site layout, and you can now customize its position. To do this, simply drag and drop the search box to your desired location. Whether you want it in your menu or header area, place it where it integrates seamlessly with your site's design. Adjusting the position is important to ensure the search box looks natural and accessible to your visitors. Once you've positioned the search box exactly where you want it, release it to confirm its placement. And that's all there is to it. So now you know how to add a search box to the menu on your WordPress website. This small addition can make a big difference in how users interact with your site. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.